Alright, so I'm going to be showing you how to set up your styles.xml and colors.xml in your material design app. So if you want to make a material design app and you want it to work on pre-lollipop devices and lollipop devices, you gotta do this. So the first step is to create your colors.xml file. Pretty easy. You're just going to go values, new value resource file, and just call it colors. I already did that. It's right here. It'll automatically put this in for you. Pretty sweet. And you want to add 3 items. They're going to call colors. And color name primary, color name primary dark, and color name accent. Pretty easy stuff. For your color name primary, you're just going to call it, you're going to need in here a color that I grabbed from this website, which is the Google Design Spec. And you can find it just by typing in material design colors. So I'll get you to here. And you can just find whatever color you think looks good in your app. What Google suggests is to use the 500 color as your primary color. So if you want pink, you would use this color right here as your primary color. As your dark color, your primary dark, you would probably select the 700, which is 2 below your 500. So you would take this one as your primary, this one as your dark. And if you, for example, wanted to take 300 as your primary because you like the color better, you will want to take the 500 as your dark if you want to make your status bar look pretty sweet with your toolbar color, your app bar. Well, just generally, that's what you want to do. If you want to experiment, though, with your own colors, it's totally fine. There's no really strict way of doing it. For this video, I chose teal, which is right here. And I took the 500 for my primary and the 700 for my dark. Those are right here. You just paste them right in between the color tags. For your accent color, it can pretty much be any color that looks good with your primary. It kind of wants to be like a contrasting color. I use deep orange because I thought it looks pretty sweet. And I took the A200, which is FF6E40, pasted it right there. And I think it looks pretty good with my primary color. So that's all you need for your colors.xml. Make sure it's saved. Android Studio should do it automatically, which is pretty nice. Now, you need to modify your current styles.xml file. Basically, if you had anything here, you want to just delete it, replace it with this. Style name, doesn't really matter, just call it app theme for simplicity's sake, and have the parent be apptheme.base, and you can close it right there. That's all you need. Now, for this style, you want to add another one in your styles.xml, and it's going to be apptheme.base as a name, and the parent is going to be theme.appcompat.light, and I'll talk about this in a second. So, you want to have, again, 3 items. Basically, it's just pointing at the color XML that you already created. Color primary underscore dark, color accent. Really easy stuff. It might not autocomplete for you, and it might be telling you to do Android, I don't know. Yeah, don't do Android. It sometimes can mess it up, so just, this will work. I promise. That's all you need for your apptheme.base. Basically what it's doing is that the parent is the theme.appcompat.light. What that allows you to do is to have material design on pre-5.0 devices, and it looks pretty good. Not perfect, not yet. Hopefully Google will improve it, but for now it's as close as you can get, easily. Now, in your v21 styles, which should be in your v21 folder, you're going to want to have a status bar color, or you don't have to have this, it should default, but if it doesn't work, add this in. The name is apptheme, or whatever you want, and the parent is apptheme.base. Pretty easy stuff. So that's how you set up these 2 files, and if you're getting any errors, that just means that you need to add in your build.gradle. You add this dependency, which is the appcompat dependency, and you absolutely need it for this to work. So put that in. Also, if you're getting any other errors, make sure this does not say run ProGuard, and it says this. Or you can just comment it out, or whatever, or delete it. Should work if you have it, say, minify enabled and not run ProGuard. Also, make sure this is 1.1.0. This is, of course, if you're on the newest version of Android Studio, which is 1.0.0. And that should be fine. This should be 2.2.1. Alright, that's all you need for Gradle, and should be it for this. The reason you want no action bar is because later I'm going to show you how to implement a toolbar, which is basically a better action bar. So that's it. Thanks for watching.